Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best framing nailers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Numax SFR2190 21-degree framing nailer. Numax SFR2190 contributes to being a perfect option for the framing purpose. Presence of plastic collated nail ensures that the nails are held together with the aid of a thin strip of plastic. They are considered to be excellent options for different DIY projects as you do not encounter any issue with the shard pieces or glue. It is recommended to make use of 21 nails for supreme performance. You can opt for this nailer for a plethora of applications such as wood box assembly, siding installation, fencing, wall and roof sheathing, to name a few. The body of the gun is comprised of die-cast magnesium for high durability and low weight. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BOSTITCH F21PL round head framing nailer. It is considered to be the ideal tool for subflooring, sheathing, framing, and bracing jobs. Featuring lightweight and strong magnesium body, it is recognized to be perfect for weekend warriors and professionals. Stanley BOSTITCH manufactures top-quality, innovative fastening tools and fasteners for industrial, construction, and home improvement applications. Products include pneumatic staplers and nailers, compressors, manual staplers and tackers, coil-fed screw systems, rivet tools, glue guns, a broad assortment of collated nails, screws, staples and specialty fasteners in a variety of materials and finishes, and carton closing staplers, many of them industry firsts. At number 3, we have the Paslode 905600 Cordless XP framing nailer. The Paslode 905600 Cordless XP framing nailer is yet another worth mentioning product in the list of nailers across the globe. Have a look at the following set of pros and cons if you are planning to invest in this product. The Cordless XP framing nailer system is designed to deliver 15% more power to increase productivity. Less standing nails and better drive performance into harder woods means you can put your hammer away and let this cordless nailer do it all. Plus, the new Paslode framing fuel with all-season formula lets you keep working in temperatures down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit when compressor hoses are freezing. At number 2, we have the RIDGID R350RHF 3-1/2 in. Round head framing nailer. This framing nailer is recognized to be the fastest in its class. It offers 8 nails every second. This product has become the prime choice of people when it comes to finishing work within the shortest possible time. RIDGID presents the 3-1/2 in. Round head framing nailer with magnesium metal housing. This nailer is the fastest in its class at 8 nails per second compared to competitors' 3 nails per second. Backed by the RIDGID lifetime service agreement with registration, you can receive free O-rings, free piston stops and free driver blades for life. And finally, at number 1, we have the Freeman P4FRFNCB framing, finishing combo kit with canvas bag. This kit has everything you require for finishing and framing requirements. This nailer is considered to be an excellent option for roof decking, subfloors, fencing, basement remodeling, roof decking, pallet building, to name a few. You can select the brad nailer of angle finish nailer for fine finish applications like crown molding, cabinetry, chair rail, baseboards, window casing. The nailers included in this combo kit are ideal for everything from heavy-duty work like subfloors, roof decking, fencing and pallet building to fine detail work like cabinetry, crown molding, window casings, baseboards and trim. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.